In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your event recurring on Eventbrite. If you already have an event set up and you want it to repeat on multiple dates, this quick walkthrough will help you switch it from a single date to a recurring series, all from the Eventbrite editor. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Eventbrite website. Sign into your organizer account so you can access your events. Once you're in, head to your event dashboard. Find the event you'd like to update, then look for the three-dot menu next to it. Click that menu and choose Edit to open the event editor. This brings you into the place where you manage all of your event content and settings. Inside the editor, navigate to Build Event Page. This is where you control the core details people see. From there, select Date and Location. This section manages when and where your event takes place. You'll see options related to time, time zone, and location, and most importantly, the setting for single date versus recurring. Choose Recurring Event. Turning this on tells Eventbrite that your event happens more than once, like every week, every month, or on specific multiple dates, so attendees can pick the time that works best for them. As soon as you enable the recurring option, Eventbrite adjusts the scheduling tools to accommodate multiple dates. This is great for workshops, tours, classes, or any series where the content repeats. It keeps your event listings clean and consistent, and it helps attendees filter by date without you having to duplicate the entire event each time. It can also streamline ticketing and reporting since all dates live under a single event series. A couple of tips as you do this. Make sure your time zone and location are correct before you set up any schedule details, especially if you host online or hybrid events. Clear, consistent timing prevents confusion and reduces attendee questions later. If you previously published the event as a single date, switching to recurring will let you manage all dates in one place, which can be easier than maintaining multiple separate events. After updating the setting, use the preview option to see how the date selector will look to attendees and confirm that the information displays clearly. That's all it takes to switch your Eventbrite listing to a recurring event. With this change, you keep your branding and content consistent while giving people flexible date options. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to follow along as you continue organizing your event series.